Hello, Buckingham students. I hope everybody's excited to play water bottle bowling today. I want to show you the quick setup. I set up 10 water bottles. Make sure you space them out. You're going to put 4 water bottles in the back, 3 in the middle, 2 in front of those, and then 1 in the front. And that's kind of your setup. I put pillows on the side to kind of make my lane. And I'm probably about, I'd say, 8 to 10 feet away from the bottles. I do want you to remember your rolling cues. Remember, step 1, face your target. Step 2, step with the opposite foot. Step 3 is that tick-tock and bend the knees motion. And your last step is follow through. This game can be played with 2 people or 1 person. I mean, you could play up to 4 if you really wanted to. So again, I'm gonna get 2 rolls per frame. This is my first frame. I'm gonna step and roll. All right, looks like I knocked down 7 water bottles. I'm gonna go down, pick up the ball, and I get 1 more. Let's see if I can pick up a spare. Remember, if you knock them all down in your first roll, that's a strike. If you knock them all down in your second roll, that would be a spare. Nope, all right, I missed 2. So my final score for that set would be 8. And I'd set them back up and I'd go again. You can go up to 10 frames, you can go 5, depending on how much time you all have, okay? I hope everybody has a great day and we'll see you later. Bye.